Right. Morning. You can see that's the gearbox there and the engine, which are ready for spraying. The combat rings are ready for spraying, and I'm dealing with this. I'm just removing bits and pieces, the fuel pipes, the brake pipes, everything. Yesterday I took that piece out, which was this step, which I told you about. This back step was in the back, right? And that I just took off, which is the front step. Look at the job here. That's the actual chassis, which I need to extend by about 3 inches. Right? We cut it, put this massive piece of support there. Yeah. Then they added all that, which came out like that, and was that to be able to put a winch, which we had here when we got the Jeep. There was a winch here. That's the one that we usually use, but sometimes we take out the big guns. this massive thing, to be able to cut through that. We don't have an oxycut, but anyway, here, to be able to cut through all this. And now I'm going to have to get rid of that, take all this off, take that off, and then extend the chassis up to here for it to be able to house, or be able to, so I can place the, I'm looking for it.
Is in there tomorrow night. Price $750. This is pie and peas as well. You can't go wrong.
Under that, basically, is the front bumper and the back bumper here, right? So basically, we're going to strip it all down. All the, yeah. One of the largest selections of diamond rings. So these are coming off. Those are coming off. Wheels are coming off. That's going to end up on its own. I'm going to brush it. I started brushing it this morning too. Then spray it in the Oxy Red. Fix that bot job, like that job there, which was whatever they did there, I don't know why and what for. Anyway, basically clean it all up and bring it back to as new as we can get, or to original state. Get rid of all the springs, replace them, recover the 2 axles, and slowly bring it back to, for example, that, you see, that's been done. That's not factory. Factory will be the other one, the other side. That's factory. Yeah, boom, boom. 2 1-inch welds. Yeah. Maybe. Don't know. Yeah. You see. If you seam weld that, it'll start bending in weird ways, right? So you put a 1 inch there, 1 inch there, and that holds it in place. But that's a bulk job too. Again, that came off, or they moved it or something. Yeah. So all that needs to be cleaned. Take care of all your housekeeping and getting the bookings. That's what I'm on to. Took the steering wheel off, and the box, everything. So that's it. See you later. To find out how apprenticeships have benefited his business.